Hello, friends. Welcome back to Word Search World, where learning English is fun, exciting, and full of discovery. Today's puzzle is all about places and everyday locations, the places we visit, walk through, and use in our daily lives. From busy streets to quiet libraries, every place has a purpose and a story. Let's explore them together in today's word search adventure. Get ready to search carefully and find the hidden words. Remember, they can be across, down, diagonally, or even backwards. Here are the words you need to find in today's puzzle. Street or road in a city or town where people walk and drive. Bridge, a structure that helps people cross over rivers or roads. School, a place where students learn, study, and grow every day. Shoes, something we wear on our feet when we walk outside. Park, a green place where people relax, play, and enjoy nature. Market, a place where people buy and sell food and other items. Hospital, a place where doctors and nurses take care of people's health. Library, a quiet place full of books where people read and study. All these places are part of our daily lives. We visit them, learn in them, and spend time with others there. Now it's your turn. Can you find all these words hidden in the puzzle? Look closely, some words might be easy to find, while others may be a bit tricky. Take your time, focus your eyes, and enjoy the challenge. Word searches help you improve your English vocabulary, train your brain, and develop concentration skills, all while having fun. If you enjoyed this word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new learning adventure. More exciting puzzles are coming soon about animals, food, emotions, technology, space, and many more. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Keep searching, keep learning, and see you next time in another Word Search World adventure.